Hello, little learners. How are you all? I hope you all are enjoying your summer vacation, right? So, by looking at the picture, what you are up to, you are going to listen one bedtime story. Then you are going to learn one moral from this story. Yes? Okay. So, have you ever seen tiny sparrows flying in the sky? Because these are sparrows. They look small, don't they? But what if I told you that when they work together, they became powerful enough to do something amazing? So today I am going to tell you a story about some clever little birds who taught everyone a big lesson that even the smallest creatures can do great things if they stay united. So ready to hear what happened? Okay, let's go. So the story's name is United Sparrows. In a dense forest, a family of sparrows lived happily on a tall tree. The parents taught their chicks the importance of staying united. One day, a hunter spread a net under the tree to trap them. Okay? Tempted by grains scattered on the ground, the chicks flew down despite their parents' warning. The hunters pulled the nets, trapping them all. Terrified, the chicks cried for help. Their parents flew down and reassured them, saying, "We can escape if we work together." Following their guidance, the sparrows flapped their wings in unison, net and flying to safety. The family later discussed how their unity saved their lives. Their unity saved their lives. Chicks realized the wisdom in their parents' words and vow never to forget the strength of togetherness. Okay. Thank you for watching, my little ones. Do like, share and subscribe, and do follow Kidoctive Homeschooling.